Welcome to Watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on July 15th. Market analysis. The U.S. government's tariff policy still influences global risk aversion. Yesterday, the spot gold market surged back, with the highest market reaching $3,374.91 per ounce and the lowest at $3,341.08 per ounce, and finally closed at $3,343.26 per ounce. After the opening of Asia in early trading this trading day, the market continued to rebound and fluctuated all the way up, and it is currently trading at around $3,364 per ounce. Recent market hotspots focus on trade tariffs and geopolitical conflicts, and the future direction of the Fed's monetary policy will also affect the market direction. Gold market. At present, the hourly chart of spot gold is in a high shock stage. Judging from the short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in the main rising stage, and the operation can wait for the market to adjust back to the range of 3350 to 3355. If there is a K-line combination that stops falling, it can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 3365 to 3375. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is in a shock stage in hours, and the 15-minute chart is in a high shock stage. The 15-minute chart oscillates between 1.1654 and 1.1698, and the operating bank can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this interval. If the market breaks 1.1698 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.1760 to 1.1790. If the afternoon market breaks 1.1654 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.1610 to 1.1580. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. On the hourly chart, the exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar is in a main decline mood, and on the 15-minute chart, it is in a shock stage, with a shock range of 1.3421 to 1.3443. In operation, it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in this range. If the market breaks 1.3443 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.3480 to 1.3530. If the afternoon market breaks 1.3421 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 1.3380 to 1.3350. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is in a shock stage in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in the shock stage, and the shock range is 0.6537 to 0.6555. In the market outlook, you can sell at a high price and buy at a low price. If the market outlook breaks 0.6555 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be 0.6590 to 0.6630. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6537 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 0.6480 to 0.6450. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The hourly chart of US dollar to Japanese yen exchange rate is at a high level. The short period 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock interval is 147.48 to 147.90. If the market breaks 147.90 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 148.50 to 148.80. If the afternoon market breaks 147.48 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 146.80 to 146.30. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.20.